Hi, I'm David Cantor with Cantor Crane, and today I'm going to talk about the what ifs, the what if I'm involved in a motorcycle accident. Now, what are what ifs? We hear these questions all the time. What if I had no pain on the first day, but then I felt pain later on that week? Well, your adrenaline kicks in. We call it the adrenaline factor, and it's very common that it can mask your initial pain. What if the pain starts weeks later in a new area? Again, minor bruises to the neck, back, joints, and nerves, they can mask. If you have bruises or road rash, you're more focused on that pain than the actual structural pain, so that's very common. What if I wasn't wearing a helmet? Guess what? In Arizona, it's legal to ride a motorcycle and not wear a helmet. However, the insurance company is going to fight tooth and nail, saying a lot of it was your fault. It still doesn't bar you from a claim. What if I had only slight damage to my bike? Well, most people have crash bars nowadays, especially on the big baggers, and many times people will lay down a bike and there'll only be some minor paint damage. But a person's body will get road rash, bruises, joint, ligament damage, maybe even traumatic brain injury. So it doesn't matter that the bike wasn't totaled. What if I have a headache, but I didn't hit my head? Now this is a really common one. People with neck and back injuries don't understand that it's all wired together in your central nervous system, the CNS. So it's not uncommon that it then creeps up and you get horrible headaches even though you just tweaked your back or your neck. What if my friend was the driver? I don't want to sue my friend. Well, you're not suing your friend. You're suing your friend's insurance company, and your friend will know that. You can always waive any extra, not take a dime from your buddy, but you should sue his insurance company because somebody should pay. That's if you're on the back of the bike and he gets in an accident. What if the other driver has no insurance at all, the guy who hit me? Well, if you have uninsured motorist coverage or underinsured uninsured, meaning even if the other driver has some insurance but it's not nearly enough to cover it, your insurance will kick in and we'll help you get through that process to get the most money you can get. And lastly, what if my insurance rates go up even though the accident wasn't my fault? That is completely improper, and we'll help you talk to the insurance company to straighten them out if they try to do that. Now, why hire us on a motorcycle accident case? Well, first of all, we'll help you with the property damage for free. What's that mean? Your bike goes down, it takes thousands to repair, it's totaled. Most other law firms will not help you get that money back. They'll say it's not part of the case. We will call the adjusters, we will help you get you to a body shop, and we do all that for free so you can get your money back on the bike, and we don't take a piece of that at all. Now, if they're being unreasonable and we have to fight them, then it rolls into the lawsuit, and then we take care of it as part of the lawsuit. Now, what about medical referrals? Well, we know a lot of good doctors, physical therapists, occupational therapists, chiropractors. We'll get you to somebody who will take a lien. What is a lien? A lien means you don't have to pay them a dime. They will get paid after the case settles, okay? Assuming the case settles. Now, if the case doesn't settle or we lose, yes, then you'll ultimately have to pay them down the road, but we don't plan on that happening. Lastly, what about at trial? Well, myself and my partner, Cantor Crane, we have over 200 jury trials of all different types between the two of us. The other side knows this, we know this, and we know how to get you the most money. Also, I myself am a writer. I've got a 99 Indian Chief. I've also got a one-off bobber that we've built with a TP Engineering 111 cubic inch monster engine. I've ridden for years. I've been riding since I was a little kid on a YZ80 and an XR75 back in the 70s. So I'm quite familiar with people getting injured on motorcycles due to somebody else's negligence. But if this has happened to you, set an appointment, come in and meet with us. It won't cost you anything, but it will take about 30 minutes. We'll go over your case from top to bottom, and hopefully we can get you the most money possible. I'd love to hear from you soon, and I look forward to meeting with you. Take care.